Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to create Etsy banner in Canva. So first is you have to open your web browser or your Canva application. And here I'm using my web browser, so I just have to type out Canva or canva.com, and then you'd be able to see this website. So just click on it. And once you're done, you will then just have to log in to your account. So right here at the top, you just have to use the search bar and then type out Etsy. Now just select the Etsy shop cover, so this one, and then this page will open. And now just click on this plus icon or the create new icon, and then you'd be directed to this page. Now you just have to choose your template. So for example, I'll be using this one, or you can also start from scratch if you want to. So now you can start editing and changing the elements that you want to edit. So for example, this section, so when you clicked on it, then click on this side. You can also click on this text right here at the center. So if you want to remove or change the text, just have to double click and then type out your own text. Okay, so of course you can also change the color if you want to. So right here at the center, just have to click on it, and you can also resize, change the color, change the text, change the font style, or upload your own background. Okay, so after finalizing everything, I will just going to make this video short as possible. So now that you know that you can change all of the elements that is on this template, you can now click on the share button at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then just click on download. So this one. Now when you click on download, you'd be able to see this file type. So make sure to choose the PNG format because this is the best one for your image. Now just click on download, and then your Etsy banner will be downloaded to your gallery. So let's try to view the image. So just have to click on this section. Now, as you can see, I have my Etsy banner. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concerns, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.